Greasy mitenand. For tonight's dinner, Schlarraffenland is going to show you how to make roasted charsiu with stir-fried noodles. This is going to be an easy yet incredibly delicious and well-balanced dish for a cozy night in with your family and loved ones. With our video and some simple ingredients, you're going to be transferred to the realm of pure bliss by the savory taste of charsiu, the crunchy chewiness of the noodles, and the freshness of the veggies. Are you ready to make this comforting dish for your family dinner? Then let's roll into the kitchen and stir fry some noodles away. First, you need to marinate the chicken because marination gives food flavors, and flavors are important. Debone 1 kilogram of chicken thigh and try to keep it in one piece. If you don't know how to, worry not. Just check out our yummy karaage video right here. Next, you will marinate your chicken with 4 crushed cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 100 grams of Charsiu Seasoning. This is a very popular Charsiu Seasoning brand, so you can easily get it at your closest Asian store. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a quarter teaspoon of MSG, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes or chili powder for some kick, and 50 milliliters of water. And finally, as much pepper as your spice addition commands. Mix all the ingredients and spice together and rub it onto the chicken. Then you can leave the chicken to be flavored for at least an hour or optimally overnight like we do. After a good marinade, you can take your chicken out and put it in the oven at 180 degrees C for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, don't throw away the marinade sauce. All the flavors are still in there. Just simply put it in the saucepan on medium-low heat with half a tablespoon of cornstarch and cook it until it achieves sauce consistency. We're going to use this sauce to stir fry our noodles. Okay, it's now time to stir and fry. In a pan with some oil, saute 3 minced cloves of garlic until fragrance. Next, add in your pan 1 carrot, cut into strips, and 150 grams of broccoli. Season them with 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of mirin, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Stir fry everything on medium-high heat for about 5 minutes. Then add 100 grams of sliced mushroom and keep stir frying for about 2 to 3 minutes until the veggies are about 80% cooked through. Then you can add 300 grams of fresh egg noodles and the charsiu sauce you have made earlier. Stir fry everything even-handedly, making sure that the delicious sauce perfectly coats every ingredient in the pan. Keep stir frying for about 5 minutes until the noodles become only slightly, dried and crispy. Now you give it some chopped green onion and remove everything from the pan. We're not done yet. Don't forget your chicken, the star of your dish that you took all day and night to prepare. With a good impressive strikes with your cleaver or knife, slice the chicken into long thin strips like so, and put it on your noodles. And voila, there you have it, your very own chicken charsiu noodles. Please feel free to shout out as much as you want because we know how delicious this is. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipe. And now, all that's left is Guete, bon appetit, itadakimasu, mời cả nhà ăn cơm, and dig in.